Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the camera swipe shutter button to take burst shot or create animated GIF on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the camera app. Then in here, tap on the settings icon at the top. Next, in the camera settings, go down and in the pictures section, tap on swipe shutter button 2. And in here, you can choose to take burst shot. This is the default settings, or you can set it to create GIF. Select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to your camera. Now you can see that if I swipe down now, it will take a series of pictures, but this will eventually create an animated GIF. So here you can see it created an animated GIF on my device. And I'm just going to delete it now. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.